Are you planning to learn AI and tech but don't know where to start? Google just dropped something massive. It's called Google Skills, a platform packed with over 3000 courses built by the world's leading tech companies. And the best part, you can start learning right now for completely free. If that sounds interesting, smash that like button and subscribe. I'm Nandakishore and let me walk you through exactly how it works. So this is Google Skills platform. Build AI skills for tomorrow, today. Here is what makes it powerful. You simply type in what you want to learn and the platform instantly generates a personalized learning path tailored specifically for you. Once you are logged in, the experience is clean and intuitive. Now to start with, you can either jump straight into any of these courses or browse their extensive catalog and pick exactly what interests you. And the depth here is impressive. This isn't just basic prompt engineering. You will learn to manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud, derive insights from BigQuery data, cloud infrastructure with Terraform, and much more. Right up in this search box, you can search for Generative AI and you will be flooded with courses ready to enroll in. They also have structured learning paths. Take the Generative AI learning path for instance. 5 hands-on activities where you are not just watching videos, you are actually solving real-world problems. Apparently, the path covers beyond the chatbot, unlock foundational concepts, navigate the AI landscape, building Gen AI apps, transform your workflow, and even Gen AI agents, all from a single learning path. And again, you can start enrolling for it by simply making a free account on skills.google. Now, if full learning path feels like too big a commitment, they have got shorter courses too. One great example is we have this course right here, Generative AI Explorer Agent Platform course, a hands-on lab series where you'll work directly with Gemini models, learn prompt design, tackle text classification, summarization, and even fine-tune a foundational model using custom training. Complete it and you can claim your course badge. Which brings me to one of the best things about Google Skills, the credentials. You don't just learn, you earn skill badges, course certificates, and at the highest level, Google Career certificates issued directly by Google Cloud, recognized by top companies worldwide, and absolutely worth adding to your CV. Awesome, isn't it? And the catalog, it covers practically everything in tech. Machine learning engineer, cloud architect, data analytics, network engineer. There are dedicated learning paths for each. Plus, collections like AI Boost Bytes, which teaches you real applicable AI skills in just 10 minutes. Perfect if you're short on time but still want to stay ahead. If you want something specific, just search for it. Type in prompt engineering and you'll find Google Cloud's prompt engineering guide, right? You can click on this to start learning it right away. So this is the course, this is the transcript, and once you're done, you can mark it as completed. And after that, you can take the quiz. And once you're done, you will earn your certificate as well. On top of that, Google Skills keeps you motivated with streaks and achievement badges, a smart way to gamify your progress and build a consistent learning habit. That's Google Skills. Try it out using the link in the description and drop a comment below what's the first skill you want to learn on this platform. And if you're interested in learning AI, watch this video next. Subscribe if you want to learn AI and stay updated with new AI tools every week. Share this with someone who needs it. I'll see you in the next one.